Actually, what I have done, I have divided this topic in two parts. In first part, I have explained the concept of two-port symmetry. Okay, and now in this lecture, I am going to find out the condition of two-port symmetry of biparameter. Okay, then let us see the previous things. What was the concept behind the symmetry of two-port network? That is, we had already taken two same networks, two port network, same two networks, and we have said figure 1, figure 2. Here in figure 1, for two port network, this is port 1, this is port 2, this is port, in figure 2, this is port 1, this is port 2. In figure 1, we have applied a voltage source of having value Vs voltage excitation, okay, from port 1, and we have made the port 2 open circuited. Okay, similar as the figure 2 1, in figure 2 what I have done, actually the same voltage source Vs is added, is connected in port 2, okay, and port 1 is open circuited, and there it means in part 1 what we have already found, we have found excitation, it means voltage source, value of voltage of the source divided by response, it means current, ratio of voltage Vs and I1 when second port open circuited will be equal to the ratio of excitation of the figure 2, it means Vs, ratio of the excitation divided by response, it means ratio of Vs and I2, okay, when port other port, it means other port 1 is open circuited. Then this was the concept, it means value of this should be equal to this, then the two port will be symmetrical. Okay, now here we will find the condition of two port symmetry for biparameter taking the same concept, following the same concept. Okay, then we know that a standard equation for biparameter is what? That is y1 I1 equal to y1, okay, y1 into V1 plus y12 into V2, and I2 equal to y21 into V1 plus y22 into V2. These were two standard equation. Okay, then putting these conditions here, what we get, if for figure 1, okay, putting these values, the values in equation 1, in equation 1, what we get in equation 1, we get what we get, okay, what is the situation here? Here Vs, here in figure 1 V1 I1 is what? I1 is I1, okay, by V1 is what? V1 is Vs, this one is Vs, okay, plus y12 into V2 is what? That is V2. Okay, this is the condition. Let us say this to be third. Okay, now putting the same values of figure 1 in equation 2, then what we get? I2. I2 is what? In equation. Now putting this in equation 2, what we get? Here I2 is 0, okay, plus equal to I2 equal to y21 into V1. V1 is what? That is Vs. Okay, write down here V1 equal to Vs. here V2 equal to Vs. Okay, then by 2 into V2. V2 is V2. Okay, then what we get here? From here we get by 2 okay, by 2 let us take these values here. Let us take these here. By 2 into V2 is equal to what? By 2 by 2 into Vs, that is minus. Okay, now V2 is equal to what? That is minus by 2 by y22 into Vs. Put this value of V2 in equation 2, in equation 3. Putting V2 value of V2 in equation 3. What we get here? I1 is equal to by 1, okay, and Vs is Vs and plus y12, okay, y12 by 12 into V2 is this one, this is minus y21 by 22 into Vs, that is what? By y1 into Vs minus y12 by 21 by 22 into Vs. Now taking common here, Vs taking common, by 1 by 22 by 22 by 1 by 22 minus by 12 by 21 into Vs. Okay, okay, then now Vs by I1, dividing this one here, this becomes by 22 divided by y1 by 22 by 11 by 22 minus by 12 by 21. Okay, and this is the condition when we have taken I2 equal to 0. Okay, then we can say this is the value when I2 by I2 equal to 0. Then we have found this value Vs by I1. Okay, when I2 equal to 0 is what? Condition is by 2 by this one. Then let us write now this value here. This value becomes what? This value becomes Vs by I1, Vs by I1 when I2 equal to 0, I2 equal to 0, that is equal to y22 by 11 into y22 minus y12 into y21. Okay, this is the value of this one. Now we have to try to find out the value of what? We have to try to find out the value of this one, Vs by this excitation by response, Vs by I2 for I1 equal to 0 equal to what? Let us try to find out this value. Okay, then here what is the condition in port 2 in figure 2? V1 is V1, okay, I1 is 0, I2 is I2, and V2 is Vs. Okay, now what was the standard equation? First standard equation was I1, okay, I1 in equal to y by 1 into V1 plus y12 into V2. Okay, now here putting this value I1 equal to 0, okay, this value I1 equal to 0, y by 1, V1 is what? That is V1 plus y12, and V2 is what? That is Vs. Then what we get? We get y11 into V1 equal to minus y12 Vs. Okay, then what we get? V1 equal to minus 12 divided by y1 into Vs. Okay, this is the value of V1. Now let us take that second equation. What was the second equation, standard equation? I2 was equal to y121 V1 plus, okay, y22 into V2. Now again put the value I2, for I2 equal to I2 y21, V1 is V1 plus y22 into V2 is what? V2 is Vs. Okay, okay, now let us take here I2 equal to by 2 I by 2 1 into V1. The value of V1 is what? That is minus y12 by y1 into Vs, and this value is what? y22 into Vs. Okay, now this becomes I2 equal to let us take common Vs, then this becomes minus y12 by 21 divided by y1 in plus y22, okay, that is Vs. Okay, now I2 becomes what? I by 1. Now let us write here this one I2 is equal to by 1 minus by 1 to y21 plus by 1 by 2, okay, into Vs. Okay, now this becomes I2 equal to by y1 by y1 by y2 minus y12 into y21 into Vs by 1. Okay, now take the ratio Vs by I2, divide this one, then this becomes by 1 equal to by 11 y22 minus by 12 by 21. Okay, and this is when this condition holds good, when I was equal to 0. Then we have found out the second condition. Then what was the condition of symmetry. Condition of symmetry was Vs by I1 when I2 equal to 0, I2 equal to 0 was equal to Vs by I2 when I1 equal to 0. So there this value is this one, we have already found out, and this value is now this one. Then putting this value here, what becomes? This becomes, for writing down, for two port symmetry this one, these two should be equal. Vs by I1 should be when I2 equal to 0, and Vs by I2 when I1 equal to 0 should be this. Then value of this one is what? Value of this one is, what is the condition? Vs by I1 when I2 equal to 0 and I2 equal to 0, and this should be equal to Vs by, this should be equal to Vs by I2 when I1 equal to 0. Then putting this value here, this value becomes, write down here, Vs, this value Vs by I2 when I1 equal to 0 equal to y by 1 by y11 into y22 minus y12 into y2. Now for this condition, this value is, we have already found out, that is what? y22. For this value is available, then this was what? y22 by y by 1, okay, y22 minus y12 into y21, okay, and this value is what? This value is what? That is y by 1 by y12 minus y12 into y21, okay. These values and these values should be equal for the condition of symmetry, okay. Then let us cancel out these things. These are the same value, y1 y22 minus y12 y21 y11 y22 minus y12 y21. Then cancelling out this, what we get? y22 equal to y11, or we can say y1 equal to y22, okay. Then this is what? This is the condition for two-part symmetry. Then we can write finally condition for two-port symmetry of y parameter is what? Is y by 1 equal to y22. This is the condition for, two-port symmetry of what? This thing, y parameter, okay. In previous case, it means when we were talking about the two conditions of two-port symmetry for z parameter, what we have found? We had found z1 equal to z22. Then you can just memorize it कि उसमें क्या था? z पैरामीटर में z11 इक्वल टू z22, y पैरामीटर में सिमिलर क्या है? y11 इक्वल टू y22. दिस इज द कंडीशन. And what was the y parameter? Y parameter was y1, y12, y21, y22. Then for the condition of symmetry, these two values should be equal. This will be this should be equal. Okay, this y was equal to what? Y parameter was y1, y12, y21, y22. Then what is the condition of symmetry? This is the condition of symmetry. This should be equal. Okay, then in next class we will start the new chapter of network theory. Okay.